Hi everyone, it's Christy here, back with the Project Life Process video for April 13th through 19th. This week I am using cards from Ali Edwards, the Spring Break card and the Getting Organized card, along with some papers and products from Dear Lizzie's She's Magic. Also showing you some additional products that I hope to include, including the All Heart Puffy stickers, my brand new Maggie Holmes Sticker Book, and bits and pieces from the She's Magic collection, those puffy hearts from Amy Tan that I tried to use for the last layout, and some chipboard. So we are on the left hand side. I'm just quickly adhering my Instax there to a striped piece of paper from the Dear Lizzie She's Magic. Then yet again I have way too many photos for this pocket, so I'm going to use a flip pocket from Snap. And those are available from scrapbook.com and all kinds of other retailers. And they come in different sizes. There's 3x4, 4x6, 4x4. So whatever you need, they have. I pulled out these chipboard from Ali Edwards because they were perfect for the colors and perfect for the photos, talking all about rainy days and showers bring flowers. So we had all kinds of weather this week. Snow later in the week, rain, sun, typical Canadian weather. But lots of photos documenting the rain, so I thought I would use those two chipboard. And as I said, the colors just matched perfectly. Now, I chose the All Heart Puffy stickers because it was a brand new pack that I hadn't yet dived into. Some of the colors don't quite work, especially the pinks are a little bit too bright, but there was lots of florals, so I decided to bring those in. And so I just layered a floral sticker onto the Rainy Days chipboard, and then I brought some hearts onto that other circle piece. Going into my Maggie Holmes Sticker Book. This is the newest one, so she now has 2 sticker books out. I did just recently do a bit of a flip through on my latest scrapbook.com haul video if you're looking to get a closer look at the stickers in this book. But I absolutely love these sticker books. They're such a good value, and you can always find something for your project. So for this layout, I chose that rainbow sticker to go on the Instax, chose the clear black phrase sticker to go on that photo of Adeline with her tools, and then a label sticker there up at the top off camera. And I'm also using some of these black phrase stickers. There's also a couple alphas in this sticker book, so I am going to use the black alpha for my title card and a few cards throughout the layout. Thought I would try putting those puffy stickers, there was speech bubbles with hearts, on the Instax photo, but instead I decided to spell out the word picnic. I love these alphas. They're black, which I always think you can include on any layout. The size is perfect, and I'm really loving this font. It's kind of funky. Sizes are a little bit different and unique, as in like each letter is a little bit different size, especially those eyes. I really kind of do like when they mix uppercase and lowercase. So I put those on there, and then I'm just flipping through the sticker book to see what catches my eye. So I returned to these label stickers, and because the blue matched perfectly. This is my favorite paper from the She's Magic collection. It's just gorgeous. But the color of the label matched perfectly. So I decided to go with a really simplistic title card, and again, just keeping it simple and using those black alphabet stickers. So I'm going to put the dates April 13th through 19th, and then I'm going to use a puffy sticker from the All Heart collection to go in between, and I opt for a star just because it's black and matches the alpha stickers. Now I'm using my thicker alignment tool. The set that I have comes with a couple different options. As I don't do 12 by 12 scrapbook pages, I really only use the straight ruler to add my titles, but there's kind of like a rainbow shaped one, a curved one, a hexagon one, and maybe even another one that I'm not remembering, but it's a pretty cool tool set to have in your collection too. I added a puffy camera up to the label on the Getting Organized card, and then some puffy hearts on the Hey Good Lookin' sticker. So that was the left hand side. Now we're on the right hand side. I have this spring break card. It has 4 rectangles, and I decided because this side of the layout has a lot of the green that I needed to bring in some more of the blue. And so I trimmed some of that floral paper from my title card and filled one of the rectangles with it. And I just really like how it still brings in that green, but it also brings the blue to this side of the layout. And it also adds a bit of interest to this card. You could add photos to those rectangles. You could add journaling. Initially, I thought I would add numbers and journal about tell 3 different stories, one in each of the boxes. But instead, I treat it more like a filler card. I'm adding another one of those label stickers in one of the rectangles. I decided on black, just to bring a bit more black to this side of the layout, since I have that really graphic black 4x6 card, the Getting Organized card on the left hand side. I felt like this side of the layout needed a bit of black too. Also wanted to bring in one of those clear black phrase stickers to this side of the layout. I put it on this photo of my dog Bam Bam in the backyard, and I did try to remove it because I felt like it did get a bit lost in the background, but it wasn't coming up nicely, so I decided just to go with it. I rearranged some of the photos just to I guess I was feeling it was a bit too much text on that left-hand side of the spread, and so I just did some switches of the 4x6 photos, and I like how that looks a bit better. Added a chipboard to the photo of Nora up at the top in the shower that says "You Rule," and I also am going to add a puffy sticker to there as well. So sorry that you can't see the top of those photos. I wasn't really paying attention. When I'm scrapbooking, my daughters are around me and wanting my attention and wanting my help to change the channel and all kinds of stuff. So I wasn't paying attention to my camera, obviously. All right, and so that spring break card says spring break looks like, and so I'm going to put the words play all day in that peachy box, and I'm just going to shift it a little bit up so that they fit all nicely, all 3 lines there. Again, using my thicker alignment tool to easily place those down and centered. I'm going to add another camera puffy sticker to this label just to add a bit of a repetition to the other side of the layout. That You Totally Can card comes from the Dear Lizzy cut apart sheet, and originally it was a 4x4 piece, but I trimmed it down to 3x4. And even though I took off some of the sentiment there in the background, you still get the point because of the blue phrase there. All right, so I'm just flipping through and I'm wanting another black element, so I am going to that page, but I also do want another larger sticker to kind of match the rainbow sticker that I included on the opposite side of the layout. So I'm going to go with this butterfly just to bring in some more of the brighter pink. Gonna layer the Love You So sticker in behind and call that good. And I'm just adding my finishing touches here with some more heart puffy stickers. I'm just going to add it beside the butterfly, but thought it was a little bit too busy. So instead I'm going to add just a kind of smattering of hearts to this self-care card. The photos, as mentioned, are a lot of my daughters just playing outside, playing inside. This was spring break. It was a little bit different, obviously, since we've been at home at this point for almost a month. And so it wasn't really very spring breaky. But we did kind of take a break from school for myself and my daughter. Didn't do a lot of schoolwork at all, which was so nice, and just focused on playing. So I'm just finishing up my journaling here. In my journaling, I just pretty much talked about the weather, how we had all sorts of different kinds of weather, how the girls are loving playing outside, especially in our front yard, which can be a bit annoying because we live on a bit of a busier street. So I have to be out there watching them, but they also do play independently in the backyard as well, and just talking about how I'm trying to move a little bit more and get in that routine of working out at home. I did give you a bit of a close up for the spread, but did notice that I hadn't yet added my tab. So I'm going to choose the reverse side to the floral paper, which has that green color. So it ties in the opposite side of the layout quite nicely. And there you are. Have a great one, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.